Hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, I'm out at the park walking. It is super cold. I just want to give you some tips on how to walk in the cold. Some places are colder than others, so let's just be clear. I'm in Georgia. Right now it's 22 degrees and I'm not stopping. Now, disclaimer before I get started. My husband out here too. He wanted to do our full normal walk, which is about 45 minutes. I can't do it, y'all. My fingers, that's one of my tips I'm gonna give you, are cold. I have some gloves, but they're not the best gloves. So let's get right into the tips. So you're on your healthy weight loss journey and you wanna keep walking. You wanna keep walking even when it's cold. You wanna make sure that you are bundled up. You see the beautiful day. The sun is like 10 o'clock right now, so it's still cold, but we had to go early because we got other stuff to do today, and we always try to get our walk on. So when you out walking and it's super cold, as you can see, I got on a hat, a hoodie, right? I have on this large scarf. I have on 3 jackets. The pink one, what is this? Another pink one. And then I got on a vest also. So I'm really layered down. Protect your hands. Like I said, mine are really freezing today because these gloves I have, I'm gonna show y'all, they not for walking. This is more decoration. So it had no lining or nothing. Woo! Oh, socks. I had on a thinner sock. I had to go back in the house and change my socks because they were too thin. That wind was hurting and cutting my feet. Pants, layer down. Let me show you what I got on. These are nice, thick pants. I bought 2 more pair at Walmart the other day for $10 and $15, 2 pair of pants. These are old, they're too big, but they're super warm. So in order so they don't fall off, I take my jacket and pull it down, okay? So he about to come and get me. I think I covered everything. While you out here walking, especially if you by yourself, be super diligent because with all this stuff on, you can't really hear too good, you know, especially if you got your earbuds in and all that. So just stay warm out there. Could have put a little Vaseline on my face, like old school. If you grew up like that, you know. The Vaseline do something for the wind. So I could have put that on. But I still had a good walk. And I've only did today, like I said, probably 30 minutes. We usually do 45, and I just could not because my hands are freezing. All right, y'all. Well, I just want to give you a few tips on how to stay warm out here. Layer down. Cover your head, keep that heat in, and do it. Again, some areas you won't be able to do anything, I realize that, but then there are a few areas where you might can go ahead and get out there and get your walk on. All right, guys, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.